know better though, right?
Where's Jackson? Wait, he's not there. Where is he? Are you? You're refilling? We have a little bucket, and we have a doggy. So we have a little bucket, and look, doggy. And then we have a clicker. Then we have another one.
Hi guys, I got this. I don't know if this 3D printed though. And I got this shelf with a crab. Put it on the crab. And then we got the sand in the bag. So we're gonna pour the sand in here soon, but we can't right now because we're on the carpet. And then I got this little star to put in here when we put the sand in, and the shovel for the sand. And that's all. Bye. Okay. And we got this from an event, and it's gonna turn into this when we make it. I'm probably gonna show you how to make it soon, but not now. Then we got this. It's like a little holder for band-aids. Band-aids. I don't know. Let's put this back in. Then we got a little book. And I also got this, but I could get two, but I didn't want to get two books. And look, so this little, is this image, I don't know, this, I don't know. It's the eating waffles. And then I got this. I got this a lot. Like from a lot of events. I got this. We got this little card. I like it because it's like, I just like it. Okay, then we got some hand sanitizer. I've been using it when I was at the event. And we got some crayons. Here, crayons. Okay, and then we get this little crayon box. Then I got these crayons, like, I think that's like a back to school thing, but I'm already in school, but I break. And these are like coloring pencils. My mom got these, but she said I can have them. I got this. this can like stick on a mirror or a window, but I'm not gonna use that right now. We got sharp pencils. Sharp. It's very sharp. And we got an eraser and hold on. Okay, let me just there. Okay. We got the color markers right here. What's this? I don't know what this is. I'm gonna ask my mom. I asked my mom, and this is a lanyard for kids because I didn't know what it is. Then we got this maze. I don't know what the oh, there's the ball. Take the ball. The ball right here. I'm trying to make maze. Okay, yeah, I got in the dead end. I got this bracelet right here. Okay. Highlighter. I use these a lot at my school. We got the letters right here. This pencil sharpener. Then a glue stick. I don't know what this is. It's like a world of stress ball, but it does well. What's hard? The world. Got this bracelet. We got it from someone. I got this notebook. It's very big. Notebook. Yep, that's a lot of pages. Then, you know how I'll show you like the, what I want to get. How I showed you the crab sand thing. Well, they put it in a bag for me, the crab, and they also gave me this. And I don't know what these are. They gave me this at the back. If you wanted to read it, you can just pause the video. I got this. I don't know what this is actually. It's just in the back.
I finished both of my sandwiches.
This is the back. Am I holding it backwards? Oh, no. And that's it pretty much. Bye. Hi. I put the sand in.
Mom, can you make some pizza Hawaii?
Sand in. I've been playing with this at the event because they had like this that you can play with it. I've been playing it with a long time, and I found a friend there, and I got the star, but the star always gets sand in its eyes, so.
Did the owner just put a bucket of dust in there? Is this how chinchillas take baths? I don't believe this. Please, someone
Yeah,
look
the
this up on
star
Google.
without the sand.
Red pandas are one of the
I'm gonna do a count for all of you.
Oh,
Love
he's
this
like, I
picture.
know. You don't have to tell me. Did he take a toy?
I mean,
Oh, I think he wants to
you guys cannot look because of the challenge. I'll say it when I'm done. Okay, I'm going making the challenge. It's about sand. So you see the sand, right?
Guys, can I have one? Please, 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 please. I feel like I'd be friends with
This
Eloise.
So, you know the star that I showed you?
Eloise.
You're gonna try to find the star in the sand. You see the sand? So you can pause the video because I don't want to accidentally flip the sword.
But it's so happy with
So
the
pause
toy.
the video until you
Really
take it.
glad the dog left the toy
If you
outside
think the middle,
so the fox could find
then
it.
you
Oh,
are
yes,
wrong.
And the cutest frog ever. He's like, what's up? I'm a skater
If you
boy.
if you pick here,
Oh,
here,
hot dog. He loves the skateboard.
then you are right.
He really like prepares his little paws and everything. Flippers, whatever. Feet.
And if you pick anywhere else except
He doesn't need it.
for here, sorry you lost. But that's why we're gonna do another challenge.
Is he wearing a turtle? Oh,
Okay, and then doing the challenge is just gonna make it like so it's kind of hard. If you got it right, like on the other part of the hand, good job. Cause my mom was very good at it, but at level 10, yeah, she didn't make it. Okay, hold on. Let me show you it right here. Not interested. What do you think the star is? Could be anywhere. Could be here, 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 here.
dinosaur knitted outfit.
Could be anywhere. What do you think? 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, now you got it. If you picked here, let's see.
Unafraid of anything that will come his
You
way.
won.
We need to see more turtles in outfits.
If you pick here, and here, you won.
Look, he's kind of cute. He has little ears.
Right.
Never seen him before.
See?
He looks like a bird.
If you got it again, like again right, good job. Cause I'm gonna make a really hard one for you, okay? Hi guys, I am kind of done, but to make it harder, I'm gonna smooth it.
Oh, I did
So
want to
yeah,
pet it. It looks so soft.
time to
She's
smooth,
living her best life.
smooth,
She has
smooth.
decorated like
And if it's not smooth, I
unlimited
didn't do
snacks,
good.
a bunny
Kind of.
rug. Homegirl is
Good.
literally living in luxury. Zero? Oh.
So, do you think the challenge is gonna be hard? Not gonna be too hard. Maybe I said it's gonna be hard, but not too hard. Okay. By the way, this was $20. The whole thing. Okay.
So that must be why you need the bristles.
Can you find it? I mean, can you guess what it is?
I love deer so much.
If you pick here,
Please tell me a person is lifting them. What do you think in the comments? Was somebody hiding behind the door going like this? Or is it the balloons? This is what Bambi is about. If you haven't seen the movie, actually don't watch it. It'll make you cry.
you were wrong. Okay. If you pick the middle,
But he's like, yeah, what's up?
you were right.
He's a very grateful seal.
The star.
Honestly, I feel like kids sound like this. When they're like,
One more challenge. Do you think you can do this? Hope you can.
they're in the only alternative. Girls sing a busy bird.
Okay, let me make it.
I'm gonna cry. This man deserves an Oscar for being the more delicious one.
I am done. The minutes, but 5 minutes. Okay, let's see here. But I did a twist. The star could be under the shell. What do you think? You got 10. Wait. 5 seconds. to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay. If you picked the shield, you are 1. If you picked this, you were right. Okay, that's all the changes. And a friend is very fun to play with. I've more sand, but it's just very hard, so I don't really play with it that much. Like the sand is like hard. It's like this. It's hard to like play with because the sand is very hard. And my hands are very dirty. I gotta get cleaning up when I'm done, but I gotta give it to Flo tomorrow.
Oh wait, no, duh. Wait, he's scared and upset because he's
What
not in
do
the
we do?
water and he's gonna...
Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love.